Pool robots are one of the most essential pieces of equipment that every pool owner needs. Aquawize is the latest innovation in robotic pool cleaners that provides pool owners with the complete package. This is pool care made smart. With Wi-Fi capabilities to give you full control over cleaning cycles, our robotic pool cleaners allow you to get your pool swim ready when it suits your lifestyle. All Aquawize robots are designed to be as energy efficient as possible, ensuring that you save money on your power bill. Cleaning and maintaining the Aquawize robotic pool cleaners is also fast and easy, meaning less time cleaning and more time enjoying your pool. Each pool robot has a multi-layer filtration system that acts as a second filter for your pool, which increases energy efficiencies. Innovation, efficiency, quality. It is the combination of these features that really make the Aquawize range unique. It is the complete package for any pool owner.